Question 1. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? Answer. CNG produces fewer pollutants and greenhouse gases. Cheaper than gasoline and diesel. Lighter than air, disperses quickly if leaked. Higher ignition temperature, reducing accidental ignition risk. Cleaner combustion leads to less engine wear. LPG produces lower emissions of pollutants and often cheaper and may have tax incentives. Used for cooking, heating, and transportation. Easily stored and transported. High energy content for efficient combustion. Safer with a narrow flammability range. Question 2. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. Answer. Bitumen is the petroleum product used for surfacing roads. Question 3. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? Answer. Millions of years ago, dead vegetation got buried under layers of soil. Over time, due to high temperature and pressure, these layers were transformed into coal. This process is called carbonization. Question 4. Fill in the blanks. A. Fossil fuels are and. Answer. Coal, petroleum, natural gas. B. Process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called. Answer. Refining. C. Least polluting fuel for vehicles is. Answer. CNG, compressed natural gas. Question 5. Tick true false against the following statements. A. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. False. B. CNG is more polluting than petrol. False. C. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. True. D. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. True. E. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. False. Question 6. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Answer. Fossil fuels are formed over millions of years from the remains of dead plants and animals. They are present in limited quantities on Earth and cannot be replenished once used, making them exhaustible natural resources. Question 7. Describe characteristics and uses of coke. Answer. Characteristics. Almost pure form of carbon. Hard and porous. Uses, used as a reducing agent in the extraction of metals. Used in the manufacture of steel. Used as a fuel in domestic and industrial settings. Question 8. Explain the process of the formation of petroleum. Answer. Petroleum was formed from the remains of tiny marine plants and animals. Over millions of years, these remains got buried under layers of sand and clay. Due to high temperature and pressure, these remains transformed into petroleum and natural gas. Question 9. The process of separating the various constituents of petroleum is known as. Answer. The process of separating the various constituents of petroleum is known as refining.